Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are struggling with black spots, and you do not have this in your routine, what are you using? What are you using? In today's video, I'm going to tell you two products that you must have in your skincare routine. And the two products I'll be talking about is this, the ordinary glycolic acid 7% toning solution, okay, and this. This is the ordinary alpha arbutin 2% and hyaluronic acid. Now, these two products fades out dark spots, okay. If you're having stubborn dark spots, you need to start using this, okay. This product does a lot of work. Now, it's also used for hyperpigmentation. If you have dark spots on your body, your underarm, you can use this to clear it. Dark elbow, you can use this to clear it. Any part of your body that is dark, you need this. This toner is very wonderful because using this product, I believe that there are brands that know what they are doing, and this brand is one of them. My microphone just went off. So guys, this is what you need in your skincare routine, okay. You need this is the ordinary. You need it in your skincare routine, and it helps to fade out dark spots. If you are struggling with any dark spots all over your body and you do not have this, then you are missing out on a step. When you go in with this, I'm going to show you guys how I use it, okay. So it contains 7% glycolic acid, and we all know that glycolic acid is not sun friendly. So while using this, don't go out without sunscreen. Now, how do I use this? For me, I use it at night. You know guys, anything that contains glycolic acid, I feel like it works more at night, so at the next morning I'm waking up to something beautiful. But notwithstanding, you can use it in the daytime as long as you're going with your sunscreen. All right, so I use my cotton pad. This is a cotton pad I use, and I apply the amount I need on this cotton pad, and I scrub it all over my face because it's like another cleanser. Like, you know how you use toners, you use it to cleanse your face, all over your face. And that's after going in with your face cleanser and your face wash, you go in with a face toner. And this is the face toner I'm using. I am vouching for this brand. If you get your hands on the original, this is very beautiful. 1 week of using this, you would love it. So I do not use it every day. I only use it twice in a week, and at night, so that it doesn't, guys, please, if you use this at night and you do not use on sunscreen the next morning, you have sunburn. It will take you back to zero. So while using this, please use a sunscreen. Now, combining it with this alpha arbutin and hyaluronic acid, your dark spots are going to fade. Believe me, it's going to fade out. And I'm going to tell you guys how to spot the fake. So when I initially purchased this, I got my hands on the fake, and I just knew it was fake because, apart from the fact that I know I got it expensive and I didn't want to waste my money by purchasing the fake, it just didn't look real. So I had to go make my study. I had to go check the website, go around social media to make sure I'm using the correct glycolic acid, and to make sure I'm using the correct glycolic acid. And now I found out that the one I purchased was fake. I had to call the manager. I'm like, no, this is not the original. I was like, oh, it's the original one. My wife is even using it. I'm like, no, this is not the original one. Now, how do you spot the fake? The original one has a consistent bubble. Now, this bubble that is here to stay. It's not going anywhere. The one they gave me, the one the manager gave me, there was no bubble. And he was telling me, shake it, and bubble will come out. Now shake it. Now when you do that, bubble will come out, but it's not consistent. Before you need to go back to like this, like no bubble, will just be not moving, no bubble. And I'm like, Every other, even on their website, every other original one has this bubble. I don't even need to shake it. You don't even need to shake it. Once you just bring it out from the pack, you're going to see the bubble is there. Now this is first thing to spot that is fake if it doesn't have this. Now the second thing to look out for is this line. Okay, this line. For the original, it is darker. This line is darker, but the fake is faint, a little bit faint. Okay, it's not as dark and distant as this one is. Now the third thing to look out for is this the Abnormal Beauty Company. Okay, for the fake is very bold. I think it was written somewhere around here, boldly written. Now the original one has just a tiny, it's small. Okay, so guys, be very, very cautious when buying this thing so that you do not purchase the fake. Apart from the fact that, okay, yeah, you spent a lot of money to buy the fake, think about your skin barrier. When you're using the fake, you don't even know what they formulated there. It can actually damage your skin barrier. Now if you're a skincare girly and you've gotten your skin to like 20% or 50%, like you get, now using the fake will take you back to zero. Like, so please make sure you're purchasing the original one, okay? And these two. So now in summary, guys, if you have dark spots, these two products will fade it out. These two products is a goal for you. When you have these two products in your skincare routine, it will fade it out. But do not forget to go in with your moisturizer of your choice, okay, and your sunscreen. And dark marks will leave. Like I said in the video earlier, it's not only for dark spots on your face, it's also used for spots on any part of your body. Just be consistent, consistently wiping it, consistently using it to scrub that particular dark spot, and it will fade. With time, you will see that that dark spot is not there. Even your knee, if you have dark spots on your knee, use this. If you have dark spots on your arm, use this. If you have dark spots on your underarm, use this. If you have dark spots on your face, use this. If you have dark spots on your body, hyperpigmentation, any part of your body, use it. This is a multi-purpose toner. Okay, guys? So guys, that is it for the Ordinary Glycolic Acid. This brand, I would attest to this brand. Like, I love the brand. The brand is so trustworthy. If you get your hands on the original one, you would say bye-bye to any skin problem. It really works like magic. Okay, guys, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you... So this is another serum that promises to fade dark spots. Okay, so it's written here: brighter complexion, improve skin tone, and fades dark spots. So I use this. This is the balance. These are serums that you can use to fade your dark spots. Okay, these are the serum you can use to fade your dark spots. But comparing these two, I would go for this. This takes a lot of time. I think fading your dark spots, you will need to use like 3 bottles. But this particular one, just using it, you start seeing a brighter skin. You start having a brighter skin. You start seeing your dark spots faded. So this is an odogu to this. They both work. They both promises to treat dark spots. But with this, I'm getting a faster, better result compared to this. Now with this, I can say it's a slow and steady process. And the price is, I got this for 11,500. Why the Ordinary, I got it for 17,000 naira. Okay, so there's not much difference between the both of them. It's left for you to choose which one would fade your dark spots. But repurchasing, I'm going to be repurchasing this back. But if you have the money for this one, it does the work too, but it's slow and steady. Okay, guys, so for the Ordinary, I got it for 25,000. Yes, I think I got it for 25,000 naira. I don't know how much will be in your side, because another my friend that purchased, said she purchased for 30k, but me, I got it for 25,000 naira. This combined with this, like I said, this product is very product friendly, like it is compatible with other products. You know, there are some products that are not compatible with other products. Like once you start using it with another product, you start breaking out, you start having discoloration, you start having, you know, some peeling and all those stuff, but not with the ordinary. The ordinary is good. Okay, so it goes with any product. You can use this to fade your dark spots. It would work for you, and they are compatible together. Or you can use these two to fade your dark spots. They are compatible together and they will fade. They will give, but these two will give you a faster result compared to when using the balance. Okay, but it would also fade the dark spots with time. Okay guys, thank you guys for watching up to this level, and I hope you would purchase this and thank me later. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, and turn on your post notification and share this video. Okay, watch other of my videos on my channel. I hope you enjoyed. See you guys in my next video. Bye. Then I'm faded, but I rock it like a baby in the car. I put the water in the ocean.